awan ni Children Hospital, awan Sngewbha di dokaan kita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala armet ya asal tu ba ini kita wajib Sngewbha kita itu kita rekam ya nanti tang sebenarnya adalah tadon menu-menu di Papua penuh Sngewbha ini dokter kita ya sawan hanya Children Hospital di dokter kita IVF kita kawan sisin sebenarnya gawati
Sngewbha penesnok tilang hakajing Rakhe akan National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Nakilang gibor Pulit ke distrik Bhoi lang mak office superintendent ki Pulit bat ka Tnad nongpo kila Sngewbha balai aya ka Snam ha ka nongpo Civil Hospital Blood Center. Ya gani kajing Sngewbha ka balai ay Snam Sngewbha lalam kamat do jakpal sing dhanowa superintendent ki Pulit ka Bhoi u Michael Marak officer in charge ka Tnad nongpo u Rubel Ali traffic in charge naror kibe. Michael Marak apa ajing kran ulapan pau ke jingkemen malio ay Sngewbha hakapan ay Snam Sngewbha kom kadak man ay mensiam ya girupat ba bakinwan chakamat man ay Sngewbha ya laga Snam na kabenta ke jing mento jing itu kebedan kam kerki ya ka Snam ulapan pau ru bagajing Shimkia jong superintendent ki Pulit ke distrik Bhoi kalong shisha kebedan kam ba kum ki bor Pulit kindan kabenta ke bakrau kaban yarap lang ya ki breu hakim lang salang Shushu ulong bagidan bon bah kibreu ke basir nes ngotu bakla bagajing ai Snam kan kata ko kakya jang gitu ke ai Snam ndai kan ya kam dai gajing shisha namar gajing ai Snam hi ke harap pan ka kakya gitu ke baju ai Snam man kapor bat kam don kano gajing kata ya u ne ke ai Snam.
Yeah, today we came for this blood donation. I really feel good, and it's a very noble cause. Everybody should give blood donation. And I used to give every year, once in a year. Our Honorable SP sir also came. He have donated the blood. O.C. Nongpo sir also came to donate blood. Me and so many of our police personnel all they came for this noble cause. We are very happy that they have given this opportunity to donate blood, and I'll try to give next year also. Okay, thank you.
And then our SP sir, Bhoi SP sir has taken the initiative to donate blood today. We have all from our district, we have all come to Civil Hospital Nongpo to donate blood, and SP sir himself also has donated, and other senior officers. And we are here. Still, some of our staff are still inside. They are donating blood, and I would like to request everyone, including our police personnel, that the blood donation is a noble job, noble cause. This is for to save someone's life is a good thing, and everyone should come forward and donate blood. And we need some awareness amongst us also for this blood donation, because there are apprehensions from our from police side and civilians also that donating blood may harm that person or something like that. So there are people who still fear to donate blood. But I urge everyone that we should come forward and donate blood to save a life.